Hello, welcome back. So today we're going to learn how to read a file in C. So here we're going to do our standard include stdio.h and our int main. So we want to create a file pointer. So we have a file where we can store our text file. If open, name of the file, so my file is called test file, very creative. .txt, it's a text file, and we're going to read from this file. So then we want to create something where we can store the file. So I'm just going to very intuitively call it string, initialize some size. I'm going for 1000, and then you need to initialize the array so that it has at least the null terminating character, which looks like \0. But you don't really need to understand what that is. So while, and then we're going to use fgets, so string size of string and the name of the file, so we just call it file, and we're going to loop through while there is a line in the file that we can read in. So we'll just print for now. So we'll just print string every time. So string is going to be each line of the file. Oops. And return 0. Then go over to our compiler. GCC, what did I call that file? Read from. Tab will get you to autocomplete the word. I'm just going to call it read. Okay, no errors. Great. And then I have to run it. So, oh, perfect. Hello, my file is a test file. Make sure to use fgets. Okay, I will use fgets. Thanks, bye, see you soon. Let's just open the file here. So we can do cat old test file. And exactly what we have here. Only reason there's extra space is because we're doing \n, so that means new line character. So we just leave a space. Okay, thanks for watching.